Alright, what's going on YouTube? Happy New Year, and I'm back with another unboxing video, and today is kind of excited. I went ahead and kind of like just opened the top of it so that way I won't have to struggle on unboxing. But a good friend named SHADOWQ432, a lot of you guys probably seen him in the stream, but he's somebody that is pretty much my brother. He's looked up to me as a brother, and I've known him for like years, so I guess he became Santa Claus to me this year, and got me a few things. I don't know what it is, so we'll see. If it's anything expensive, I'm gonna kill him. So I don't know what this is, but I decided to go ahead and open it that way I won't struggle on camera. All right, let's see. Dragon Pad pop filter. Pop screen for broadcasting and recording. I'm probably not going to open these unless it's something crazy, but I'll just see them. Alright. Oh, I love these. These things are so cool. Little poppable things. Air Plus. Got a little bag in here. Shadow, no. Microphone stand. And no gear. 12 months purchase. Okay, I don't think you guys care about any of that stuff. Microphone. There's there's no way. Microphone stand. Alright, you know what? Let's move this back a little bit. This is a nice little sack. No, I'm not trying to be freaky. It is a nice little sack. Alright. Let me see if I can move my fingers. Why do you always gotta tie these damn things? Pretty good with my fingers, at least. Alright. It's actually a nice design bag. No idea what's in it. Oh, you guys always want to be in the video. Look, man. No way. No way. Shadow. No way. No way. Oh, I was gonna get one of these too eventually for my streaming whenever I get my setup. Dude. I don't even know what to say. 4 settings, infinite possibilities. What? We got stereo. A couple features. No, this is crazy. Shadow, there's no way, dude. Ultimate USB microphone. So this is the Blue Yeti mic. Shadow, you didn't even have to do that, man. You didn't even have to do that. I have been actually really... This is the mic that I was going to get whenever I get my monitors and stuff, and I can set up, because Blue Yeti mic is one of the world's pretty much the best mics for streaming. I cannot believe this. Wow. It's even got the cute little Yetis on the back. I don't believe in Yetis, but I believe in this microphone, though. Yeti blackout. Just give you guys some box art. Wow. Shadow, I can't thank you enough, man. Like, I know you've known me longer than, anybody that sees me streaming, but, I usually, give a lot more than I receive, and, you didn't have to do this, man, but from the bottom of my heart, dude, I really do appreciate it. It means a lot, because... I don't never ask for anything. I didn't ask Shadow to do this. He did this out of the goodness of his heart, but I'm so freaking excited. Like a Blue Yeti mic. Like, I can't even believe it. And I gotta figure out how all this stuff works. Let's give you guys a little tour. Man. But I had to end the video because I only have like 5 minutes recording. But Shadow, I really appreciate it, man. You are amazing. Shout out to you. And I hope you had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you had a Happy New Year.